Hey, and welcome to day 5 of my 30-day challenge where I tried to make $10,000 on Amazon with Amazon advertising with my Amazon KDP products. So that's books, journals, low content books, medium content books. Medium content books is like books where you do a lot of writing, but there's like prompts in there to help you with your journaling or whatever activity it is that you're doing. It could be math, science. It's a combination of stuff. Puzzle books, the coloring books, like the adult ones that have the numbers. There's a bunch of different things that you can do online or with the KDP that you can upload to try to make some money. So let's see how my ads are running today and if we got any sales yesterday. Alright, let's check my KDP first. Oops, wrong thing. Let's see here. Reports. So we didn't get any sales yesterday, which is fine. Happens. So we just gotta keep on going. So let's see if marketing is doing anything for us. Or do we need to increase the budget? Yesterday, I was deep diving into some KDP words, or not KDP, sorry, keywords. So our impressions went up a bit. I think the last time we were at about 150-ish, but still no sales, no spend hasn't gone up either. So we're gonna have to change that and increase our budget. Okay, so campaign settings. Let's go to 14 cents. If you guys are finding this video helpful, motivational, inspirational, whatever word you want to add there, be sure to hit the like button and follow. I'm going to be doing more videos like this where I take myself 30 days to achieve a goal. Let's see here. Group settings. Let's go to 21. Can you do something for me? Let's go here. Nothing yet. So now we're at 21 cents. Alright, so we get that one. So one more. Pressing's the same on this one still. So change that. Alright, so we're at 21 cents now. Still very, very little movement, but that's fine. It's day 5, 25 more days to go. See if we can figure out something. Let's go to the Canadian side. Oh, look at that. We got 7 impressions. Amazing. That's a start. Hey, 7's not a lot, but when you're only spending under 20 cents, that's a big deal for me. Because now they're probably hitting some keywords, so we can see what these keywords are. So it wasn't for the credit book, so we're going to change the rules behind this one. Nope, not here. So everything is pretty much at 21 except that one ad. Probably the next one as well. Yeah, so my other books that I created, or my journals, they have not been posted as of yet to Amazon, so I'm waiting for that still. Once that is on the site, then I'm going to create ads for that as well. So to hit, based off of a $15 book, Amazon gives you a cut of $3 for the physical copy. If you do a Kindle, you can choose either 70% or 35% of the royalties. So if your book's like $2.99, you make about let's see, yeah, $2.99. You make about $2 off of the sale, which isn't bad. So the KDP, we got to figure out how to drive more traffic for that as well. Okay, 7 cents or 7 impressions. So they're not charging for the impressions. So let's increase the budget a bit. Let's go to 14 cents. Alright, so that is pretty much done. So something is working because we got 7 impressions. So let's see if we can get that number a bit higher, increase the ad spend, and hopefully we start getting some keywords that we can look up to see how they're working. Um, yeah, so my game plan is to create more books. So if I have an average, if my average book costs about $15, I receive about $3 in royalties. So with that being said, in order to hit 10,000 for the month, I gotta sell about 30 or 3,000 books. 3,000 sales have to come in. So if I have two books, I got 1,500 sales each of them. But now if I increase the amount of books that I create, then it's less of one book that I need to sell to hit the 3,000 mark to make $10,000. So I have a few titles here that I'm going to be working on throughout the week and adding them to my collection of books to sell on Amazon. If there's anything that you guys are interested in and you haven't found a book about, put it in the comments and I will create or I'll help create that book for you. Uh, I also left the links in my description to the two books that I created. So the first one is a children's book, A is for Asset, the Financial ABCs, and that is just geared to helping kids understand the concept of money and different terms that we use around money as well. And then I have a credit book, the DIY Credit Guide, help you build, maintain, and repair your credit. If your credit is not the greatest or you need help getting it to that next level or you're unsure how to use your credit, you can also get that book as well. Both are available on Amazon. Just click the link in my description to get your copy. And that wraps up today's episode of day 5, day 6. Hopefully, we start to see some more traffic coming in, and then we can go into a deeper dive into these keywords on the ones that are not automatic and see if we can ramp up the impressions and start to get some sales. So I'll see you tomorrow.